Hey there, garden friends. Hope you're all doing great. I've got a quick little video for you. I'm going to show you, I've been gone from my garden for the last few weeks. It's summertime in our school garden. I've been poking my head in here throughout the weeks, but I really haven't had a chance to do much work in here the past few weeks. A little bit of light harvesting, but I wanted to show you what our garden looks like right now. I mean, like I said, I've been only able to do a little bit of light harvesting, not a whole lot of direct work. So we got some weeds, we got some overgrown plants, some basil that needs harvesting. But I just wanted to show you, so in today's video, I'm gonna do a quick harvest. I'm really limited on time myself. We gotta do some work here and then race back home. But I just wanted to show you really quick, and then I'm gonna do like a 10-minute harvest session, and I'll show you how much fruit and produce I can harvest in 10 minutes. But check this out, I'm probably gonna need some more supports. Look what has happened to our poles. They're actually getting bent and kind of pulled over. They're in the ground pretty deep. The pole itself is now getting bent a little bit, and so I'm learning that I'm going to need a little bit more support because the tomatoes just got so heavy. But also you can see the garden's looking really good. But what I want to do is, like I said, I got to get right to it. My time is limited, so I'm going to put the camera down for a moment. I'm going to start the clock. You can start your own clock there for 10 minutes. I'm going to harvest for 10 minutes as much as I can, and then I'll show you what I was able to pull out of here in the 10 minutes. But yeah, not too bad. It's looking pretty good. We got some weeds, but check out these pumpkins growing. These are massive, massive, massive pumpkins. I mean, just to show you how big this guy is, that's my hand. So it's huge. And I've got several of them coming, these Atlantic Giants and Big Maxes. They're battling the nutsedge. But all right, start the clock, 10-minute harvest. Let's do it. All right, I went 30 seconds over, to be fair. So I went a little over 10 minutes, 10 minutes of harvesting. We got a lot of tomatoes. We got some cucumbers. I got some habaneros. A lot of different tomatoes in there. We got some peppers, some bell peppers, some hot peppers, some basil. And sadly, there's so much more to do. A lot of work to do, weeds to get. Those tomatoes are, man, they've overgrown. I should have put one more steel bar in each one. Probably would have been good. But they're still up. They're just not where they should be. It could be better. So a lot of things to improve out here. Water's flowing. It's on a timer. Everything's still getting irrigated. That's why it's growing lush, out of control, but still plenty of work to be done. I'm so glad to be able to get out here and get a bit of a harvest in, but the temperature's starting to rise and I got to race back home for some more work there. All right, well, thanks for being here. If you stayed this long, thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. We'd love to have you back for more garden adventures. Until next time, garden friends, happy gardening.